Hi friends, how are you? Fine. Alright, so let's see. In the last class we saw the primary auxiliary number 1, B, and its uses. Now today we have got the second one, and second and one of the most important. All are important. That is have. Have. And its forms are, have, has, had. Has is used with third person, single person. I have, you have, they have, we have, but he has, she has, it has. Third person, singular person. Past tense is had. There is no, only one form just called. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, and they had. Clear? No problem. Alright. So here it comes. It is used as a main verb. One is main verb. Main verb or principal verb. Principal verb. And secondly as an auxiliary. Auxiliary. Now, as a main verb, it has got meanings like possess, take, experience, receive. Understand? So, main verb meanings are possess, then take, experience, and receive. Examples? I have a train. That is, I possess a train. I have 2 houses. They have 5 flats. Means they have. So they have, she has 2 houses. It happens very often. Many people have 2 houses. Some people have no house. Another thing. 2 houses. She has a garden. She possesses a garden. They have a bus. Some people have bus now. So they have a bus. Or you can say they have a fish pond. A fish pond with a sprinkler. Fish pond. What do you have? Have you got a handkerchief? Yes, I have a handkerchief. Possess. So, I have many books. I have 5 pens. I have a red pen and a blue pen. Like that, possess. And the next meaning is take. I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. I have my breakfast. I have my breakfast. Have my breakfast. I have my breakfast at 8 a.m. So I have. Means I take my breakfast at this. I have my bath. Every day. Some people don't have bath every day. Understand? But I have my bath every day. Some people take bath 4 times a day. That is a kind of you must say it is some problem. 4 times a day. Isn't it? So that is take. Have a bath. Have a bath. Have some more. Listen. Have some more. Take some more. That's it. Now, when guests come home, you must have seen. So your mother or your father will say, have some more. Just take some more. Not that possess some more. Take some, have some more. Have a cake. Have a tea. Have a piece of bun or bread. What else? So that is take, it means. Take. Understand? The third is experience. I had a headache. Not that I possess a headache, not that I take a headache, but I experience a headache. Now I don't have experience, but just giving an example. She has shoulder pain. So shoulder pain. Sometimes when you go to a doctor asks, what's your complaint? And if you don't know the meaning of complaint in that particular context, he or she will say, I have no complaint. And when he is asking, what is your problem? That is, I have shoulder pain, stomach pain. Very often children complain of stomach pain. The child has stomach pain, leg pain. foot pain, ear pain. So they are experiencing that. Understand? We had a wonderful day. That means we experienced a wonderful day. Oh, we had a fantastic picnic. We experienced a fantastic picnic. Understand? Or you can say, in this case also, we had, last year we had some good lectures. Means we experienced some good lectures. Last year we had some good lectures. Some professors, we had a few lectures by Professor so and so. We had, means we experienced. Not that we possessed, not that we took, but we experienced. Alright. Then the last one is a receive. Just now I had a phone call. I had a phone call. Means I received a phone call. I had 2 letters from him. I had 3 petitions from him. I received 3 petitions. Not that I possess, not that I take, not that I experience. I had. So I received. I had a telegram from him. Now you don't send telegram. I had an email from him. Email from him. So I received. I have a phone call every day from my son in America. I don't have a son in America. I have a son, but he is in India. Just giving you an example. So receive. I think now that is clear to you. Yes? Yeah. So you can say possess, you can say take, you can say have a bath. That is actually not take bath. Now people now these days say take bath, but the standard way or the idiomatic way of saying is have a bath. Have a bath. That's a mistake. Have very often when you interact with your guests and friends, have some more. Take some more. Have some more. Have some more rice. That doesn't mean that you have to possess that rice. Or experience that rice. Or receive that rice. No. So these are different meanings which every day we have to use this. Okay. And next we have got an auxiliary. As an auxiliary, it has one present perfect, which we have seen already, past perfect, and also continuous tenses. That is present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. For example, has eaten. He has eaten. He had eaten. He has been eating. Present perfect continuous. He had been eating. That's it. Means helping verb. Auxiliary is helping. So have helps to form present perfect tense. Has eaten, have eaten. I have gone, they have gone. And past perfect, had gone, they had gone, we had gone. And present perfect continuous. We have been reading, they have been reading, they have been playing, I have been playing, she has been playing. Present perfect continuous. Understand? And present past perfect continuous, had been going, had been eating. I think that's clear to you. So the primary auxiliary have can be a main verb. With main verb it is meaning possess. I have a car, take, have some more food, experience, I have a headache, and receive, I had a phone call. As present perfect, has gone, have gone. Past perfect, had gone, same. Past present perfect continuous, has been going. Past perfect continuous, had been going. Hope that is clear to you. Now what you have to do is, you try to make as many sentences as possible with this. About negative sense one we have already done. Negation, there is a whole chapter. Just last week we concluded that, about 27 lectures. Negation is very important in grammar class. So you can go through that. You can enjoy my classes, enjoy my grammar classes. Learning grammar, I told you, is a lifetime treasure for you, because grammar don't change much. Once you possess it, then it will be yours forever. Alright, so before we leave today, let me remind you of this. Break the chain, be brave and break the chain. Break the chain here and now for us to come together again. So for us to come together again, today now we have to break the chain. Take care of your health. Have a nice time. Enjoy it.